Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 38, lesson 3. Follow along as I read the Latin for this section aloud. Mox proculcer nebatur mons aetna, et simul a dextra audiebatur fragor quem saxa fluctibus pulsata edebant, atque in infima voragine apparebat fundus maris. Nemirum haec est illa Charybdis inquit anchises, hos scopulos haec saxa horrenda Helenus memorabat. O socii eripite nose periculo, primus balenurus proram ad laevam vertit, et cuncta classes remis ventisque laevam petivit. Inde, postquam sol occidit, feci et ignari viae ad oram cyclopum advecti sunt. Juxta haec loca surgit aetna mons ingens, unde fumus flammaeque ad caelum eduntur, interdum etiam saxa lapidesque, cum fragore horribili ab imo fundo emittuntur, totam illam noctem Trojani perteriti in silvis latuerunt, cum causam tanti fragores ignorarent. Okay, let's read through that section in Latin, and let's come back and translate. Soon, far off, Mount Etna was discernible. They're able to pick out Mount Etna. And as at the same time, from the right-hand side, as soon as they see Mount Etna, from the right-hand side, a crashing sound was being heard, which the rocks struck by the waves were emitting or giving forth. Edera is just a plus dara, to give out. And in the at the very bottom of the whirlpool, in infima voragine, at the bottom of the whirlpool, the depths of the sea were visible. So this is basically fundus maris is Davy Jones' locker. It's the bottom, so that you can look right down to the bottom of the ocean through this whirlpool. Nemirum, of course, haec est illa Charybdis. This is that Charybdis, said Anchises. These are the rocks. These are the stones, the horrific stones that Helenus recalled or was telling us about. Oh, companions, get us away from this danger. Snatch us all away from danger. Palinurus was he first turned the prow of his ship to the laewam, to the left, and the entire fleet, with oars and with wind, sought the left. They went after the left. So they're using their oars, and when it says "and wind," it means like they put their sails to the wind. Poetic language. Thence, after the sun set, tired and not knowing the way, ignorant of the way, they were carried to the shore of the Cyclopes. So here we have Cyclopes, genitive plural here, the shore of the Cyclops. Next to these places arises Mount Etna. So near this place, this is poetic plural, loca being nominative, actually here with juxta, accusative plural neuter, arises Mount Etna, a huge mountain from which smoke and flames are belched forth, are given forth to the sky. And from time to time, interdum, even the rocks and stones with a terrible crashing sound are sent forth from the base of this mountain, imo fundo, from its lowest, from its foundations. That entire night, the terrified Trojans hid in the woods, since they didn't know the cause of such a loud of such great crashing. So here we see a bunch of words for stone. Lapis is another word for stone. We have saxa, which are stones. Scopulus, which is a stone that sticks out. So read through, translate all of this section, and then let's head to the exercises.